I handed my car to valet, and seconds later, I hear,
whoops.
and that's exactly why I installed this 4K two-way dash cam. Whether it's parking lot accidents or late night supercar drives, it records everything. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kate Rose and I have another product review video for you guys today. You guys have seen Redtiger on my channel before. This is now like my third, I think, dash cam with them. Last week we talked about this 3-channel dash cam, which is perfect for content creators. We'll talk a little bit more about this later, but today we're gonna look at this 2-channel dash cam, which is perfect for your everyday driver. So this is the F7NA dash cam from Redtiger, and we're going to be testing it out on my 2023 BMW M3 competition. And the main reason why I'm wanting to share it today, because not only is it already probably the more budget-friendly camera, but in honor of Redtiger's Prime Day sale, which is from June 23rd through the 26th, you can get it at special pricing. Okay, so main product features we have is 4K ultra clear front camera, and then on the rear camera we have a 1080p, so it's a dual channel camera setup. We also have Sony STARVIS 2. It's the IMX678 sensor, which means that we should have like super night vision and no light disturbance. Okay, don't mind my garage. It's still a little chaotic in here from the oil change that we did, but let's get her on open. All right, so here's the camera itself. So F7NA, the touch screen here, same buttons and everything, memory card slot. Oh, okay. Rear camera in here, cable clips. It's crazy how small it is. Pop tool, that's for tucking in the cords, and then here's the power supply. Hello? Please? Okay. Jeez. So I pulled down my other Redtiger dash cam, and we're gonna get this one set up here. So I'm thinking we'll just put it right next to it. Okay, taking it to the back seat. So this camera is a 1080p, and I do have my back windshield tinted, but I have noticed even with my very dark window tint that it still catches everything at night. You still get very clear images, especially of license plates, because that's what's most important, is making sure that you get the license plate if anyone were to just ram into you in the back. Power supply, and we'll just connect the 2 cameras now. My neighbors are going in camping for the hill climb. He just like popped in to tell me. The hill climb happens in Colorado Springs every year, and that's actually where I'm from. So like this is probably my first year where I'm not going, but yeah, if you guys ever have the opportunity to either go watch the hill climb or at least go to Fan Fest, you definitely should, because there's always like really cool cars. I actually went last year, but we're not going to talk about that. Okay, anyways, back to Redtiger. So, okay, so favorite thing about Redtiger dash cams is they are very user-friendly. This is just the plug-and-play setup. They also come with like a hardwire set, so you can hardwire it into your car, and then that way it's just like on going whenever your car is on and going, which is probably the best way to have it, because honestly, like, you have a dash cam for safety reasons, whether it's for you protecting yourself in your car. I feel like most people, like, their dash cams come in handy when they catch other people having car accidents, because a lot of the times most people don't have dash cams. Like, before I had a dash cam is when I was in my major accident with my last car, my Mach 1 Mustang, and I did not have a dash cam at the time, but the car behind me did, and that's what won my lawsuit. So I'm telling you guys, I am the biggest advocate for dash cams, and I love Redtiger. So, okay, so just plug that into my smoke hole. It's not a smoke hole. It's the cigarette lighter outlet thing. Oh my God, do not judge me. I need to clean my car, okay? Okay, so that's the rear camera, and then here's the power. Boom. I'm going to tuck these wires in a minute. Okay, SD card is in, confirm, perfect. Okay, great. So let's just go through and make sure these settings are all set up first. Resolution, so 4K in the front and then 1080p in the rear. Perfect. Sound recording, I like to have that on. Loop recording, 1 minute. Okay, that works. G sensor, fatigue reminder, Wi-Fi. So we'll set that up here in a minute. Click tone, sure. Screensaver, voice control, yes. Driver assistance, mirror flip, rear camera flip, flicker, language, time zone. Okay, so that gets the camera all set up. So let me just go ahead and show you what you guys really want to see, which is the camera quality driving footage. So we'll do some night driving, daytime driving. It's really bright out today and it's really hot. What's really cool with these cameras is they are high heat tested, so they will operate for like 24 hours in high temperature conditions. So it can just be like sitting out in the sun and your camera will continue to run and everything. It's only 92 degrees out right now, so pretty hot out. We're gonna go run around. I'm gonna go get some food. So my car will be sitting in the sun, and yeah, we'll just test the camera out. And then when we get home, we'll connect it to the app, and I'll kind of show you like the app setup and how to pull footage from the camera, because whether you're a content creator or if you just like watching like clips from out driving, like it is really easy to access on your phone. So we'll do that when we get back. Okay, so here's some of the camera footage on the F7NA. So here you can clearly make out license plates on the cars ahead of me. I was just checking in the valet, but with the dash cam you can just catch funny things that happen. Whoops. Like this guy who accidentally revved baby girl before he put it into drive. But even in motion you can still make out all of the signs and license plates on the cars ahead. This is why it's really important to have 4K quality dash cams, so that way you can zoom in and clearly make out license plates even if they're cars that are pretty far away. With competitor dash cams like this one here, you can still kind of make out the license plate, but the quality is definitely not there. And then when you're driving directly into the sun, like it is just overexposed and you can't make out nothing. But then with Redtiger, you can still see license plates, you can still see the signs and everything, even when you're driving directly into the sun. And even at night, you still get the colors and the quality there. This is the rear camera, so even though it's a 1080p, you can still clearly make out license plates on the cars behind me. And then the other night, I wanted to include this footage because I took a trip down to Mexico and ran into this Lamborghini Huracan, and we did a couple of pulls. And guys, baby girl is just as fast as a Huracan. So that was really exciting. So I just wanted to include a couple of those clips in there for you too. Okay, we just got back from dinner. Let's go ahead and connect the app to the camera and see how the footage turned out. My sister and I are trying to scheme some things on going out. We're trying to go to FanFest tonight, last minute plans, but we'll see. Okay, so Redtiger, pull up the Redtiger app. You guys are about to see all of my cameras on here. So yeah, I usually run the F17 Elite. We're gonna add a new one. Here. Go into settings, Wi-Fi, 5.8 gigahertz. Okay, Wi-Fi is on, and the password is 1234567 highly secure. Okay, so we are connected to the Wi-Fi, which is really fast Wi-Fi. I think we can get up to like 20 megabytes per second. Quick, so here we have all of our camera footage, so we can go in and just pull the dash cam footage. So when we went to dinner, I did the valet. What is this dude doing with my car? Okay. He was waiting on me and I was not there. And then the rear camera looks great. Awesome. Okay, so that my car was sitting there for a good minute before I actually came out, because oh, he was starting my car up. Holy shit, he didn't even let her settle. Oh my god. Oh, this is the front camera. Okay, I thought he was in reverse. I'm like, oh my god. Nice, okay. Yeah, so even in valet situations, having a dash cam is nice, because then you can see them driving my car, where it was parked, the sounds that they're making, make sure nobody's farting in my seat.
That's fine. It'll take me that long to get out of it.
Okay, yeah, that's a good clip. We'll go ahead and save and download that. But yeah, it's actually a really good camera. Honestly, like for the price and everything, the F7NA, it's a really good like budget-friendly camera, especially if you can get it through the Prime Day sale. It's like barely over $100. You're still getting the 4K quality. You get the 1080p in the rear, so you're protecting your ride. It's really straightforward, really easy to use. So you get all the like high-tech dash cam features, but still with like a really easy, user-friendly platform. And you guys know, like, Redtiger is no stranger to the channel. I've been using it for a solid year now, and this is like my 4th camera. This is the most budget-friendly camera, so it really is a steal, like everything that you get out of it for the price. Most of the cameras that I've gotten, I've wanted the front-facing camera as well as a cabin view camera, but I think most people that aren't in the content creator space, you might not want a camera just like focused on you at all times. So this is a perfect camera if you don't want one that's cabin view. This one is just straightforward. You get one that sees the front of the car and one that sees out the rear. So I did do another review on the F7 Elite, which I posted last week, which is kind of more vlog style, but I did do a review of that camera. That one was a 3-channel camera, so it had front view, cabin view, rear view. And then I also have, so that's the F7 Elite. I also have the F7 Plus, which is a 4-way channel camera. So that one is out the front, cabin view. And then in the rear, there are 2 different cameras. One that's like kind of showing into the car, and then one that's out the back of the cars. I've tested all the cameras, so like I can tell you a lot about these cameras. So this one is the most budget-friendly, straightforward type of dash cam setup. If that is what you're looking for, definitely check it out. Am I missing any points? W Redtiger for sponsoring this video and feeding me and my rats. We love you for it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for Sunday's live stream as well as my next vlog post, which I think I might have had a good vlog probably posted 2 days ago. And then I have a really good POV night drive that I'm probably posting tomorrow. So make sure that you're subscribed, you have your notifications turned on. Follow me on Instagram because I have more updates that'll get posted on my stories there. Like and subscribe, comment something nice for your girl, and I love you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye!